Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we bring you a big international news update. The United States and the United Kingdom have announced over $10 billion worth of new deals during President Donald Trump's historic state visit to Britain. Let's find out why this visit is being called a turning point in global politics. President Trump arrived in London this week with First Lady Melania Trump for his second official state visit. He is now the first American president to be invited for two state dinners in Britain. During this trip, both nations sealed agreements across three critical areas. Right-finger science and technology, the US and UK will work together on artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and space technology. Billions will be invested in joint research and innovation to challenge global competitors like China. Right-finger civil nuclear power, America will supply Britain with next-generation nuclear technology. This will boost clean energy production and support the fight against climate change. Right-finger defense technology, both nations will expand cooperation on missile defense systems, cyber warfare, and advanced weapons. Experts say this will strengthen NATO and secure the West against rising global threats. President Trump also met with King Charles III and Queen Camilla at Windsor Castle, where a grand state dinner was held. Later, Trump will hold talks with Prime Minister Keir Starmer to present the joint strategy for the future. These agreements, worth more than $10 billion, are expected to create thousands of new jobs in both nations. Analysts say it will give Britain's post-Brexit economy a much-needed boost while expanding America's influence in Europe. Geopolitically, this deal is very important. With the Russia-Ukraine war, tensions in Asia, and instability in the Middle East, the US-UK alliance is sending a clear message: the West is united, strong, and ready for the future. So friends, what do you think? Will this $10 billion deal change the global balance of power? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on world politics and international news. See you in the next video.